In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove people around you on Adobe Firefly. If you've ever taken a great photo and wished you could magically clear away the people in the background, this walkthrough is for you. We'll start in your browser and end with a clean, distraction-free image, all using Adobe Firefly's generative fill. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Adobe Firefly. From the results, click the official Adobe Firefly website. Look for the Adobe domain to make sure you're in the right place. Once you're on the Firefly homepage, click Generate. This takes you to the Creative Tools hub. Here, choose Generative Fill under the Image Tools. Generative Fill is designed for edits like removing objects or people while seamlessly rebuilding the background. Next, upload the photo you want to edit. You can drag and drop or use the Upload button. Higher quality images generally produce cleaner results, and it helps if the background has some texture or detail Firefly can use to rebuild the scene. When your image is loaded, select the Remove option. This activates the brush you'll use to paint over what you want to remove. You'll see controls to adjust the brush size, and you can zoom in for precision. Taking a moment to set the brush to a comfortable size will make the selection smoother. Now carefully highlight the person you want to remove by painting over them. Cover the entire subject, including small details like hands, shadows, and any gaps between limbs where the background shows through. If you go outside the edges, don't worry, you can undo and refine. Move slowly around outlines like hair and clothing edges for the most natural result. Take your time here. Clean selections lead to cleaner fills. Zoom in to refine tricky parts and make multiple passes rather than trying to capture everything in one stroke. If the person overlaps important background elements, try to include those edges in your selection so Firefly knows exactly what to rebuild. When you're satisfied with the highlighted area, click Remove to apply the change. Firefly will process the selection and generate a version of your image without the person. Review the result. If you notice small artifacts, simply paint over those spots again and click. Remove once more. You can repeat this as needed until the background looks natural and consistent. And that's it. You've used Adobe Firefly's generative fill to remove people around you and restore your scene. With practice, precise selections and a steady pace will give you professional-looking results in just a few minutes.